Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to set up the printing in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to set up the printing, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option. Now scroll down and go to the printing. And there is a printing device. Yep, you can add the service. Of course, if you have some printing in your home like HP or Brother or something like that, so you can add from the Google Play, and there is, as you see, the Canon, and also Brother and many more like Lexmark and HP. After that, when you add the service, you can be also printing your document. There is a help about the printing, yep. And as you see, there is a Mi Home, so you can searching the printers in your Xiaomi Home, and there is a Synten printing service, yep. So you can searching for printers. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.